Are you ready to start learning Salesforce but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own free Salesforce Developer Edition org step by step. Whether you're preparing for a Salesforce Admin certification, switching into tech, or just curious about CRM, this is the first and most important step. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Salesforce environment ready to practice and explore. So let's get started. From your Google browser or your Mozilla Firefox or your Safari or your Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you're using, you're just going to open up the browsing page, and then you're going to input this website link that is just displaying on my screen. So I prefer when you type it exactly the way I'm typing it, so you get redirected to the main sign up page. So a lot of people miss out this last sign up, which makes them to start growing up and about. But when you see this, you click on it, and then it's going to take you exactly to the page where you're going to sign up into the developer org. Now it's going to redirect you to this page where you have signed up for a developer edition. Please put in your first name, your last name, your job title. I'm just going to use system admin, which is fair enough, or you can use any job title you want. You can use CRM manager or CEO, and then your company. Feel free to use any type of company you want, any name, a dummy name, or a real name, and then you can always put in your email. Make sure this email is active, and then you select and check the box for agreed. Second box is for marketing emails, so I don't need it yet, but when I need it I know where to find it. So please sign me up. We'll populate a screen that confirms that an email has been sent to the email which you updated on the previous page. So we have to go over to our email and check if it's here. Now you see the email has been sent. Welcome to Salesforce. This is what you should be looking at. But if you can't find it in your email, you go in your inbox, you go to your spam or your spam options in your email. So what you do is just to click on reset password, and you can always come back to this email to find the URL, that is the link that you're going to put into your browser to log into your new developer edition. Let me show you what you're going to do. So when you reset password, you are manually creating a new password for yourself, and then you will have to use some characters and a number, and confirm if your password matches the first one. Your security question is a question that you should always input what you can easily remember in the future, because if you have to forget this password anytime, you have to come back to this security question to prove that you are the actual owner of this account. Voila, we have created a Salesforce Developer Edition for our practice, and this is the first screen you are going to see once you have done the right thing. What next to do is just go to your app launcher, which is the 9 dots at the top left, and search for your sales app, which is the most commonly used app, and this is where we have been practicing. If you've been following our previous videos, on the sales app you are going to see your objects on the navigation bar, and then you're good to go. Well, thank you.